The feminine formula. What to add, what to remove, and what to refine. You know what's interesting? A lot of women today are trying to build femininity as if it's a project. They collect aesthetics, study mannerisms, even rehearse softness. But here's the truth. The women who radiate real feminine power aren't trying to be feminine. They're simply in alignment. Because femininity isn't built. It's remembered. It's what's left when you strip away everything that doesn't belong to you. Welcome to For Every Woman EXO, where femininity meets self-mastery. Because being magnetic isn't about doing more, it's about being more you. Like, subscribe and stay a while. You'll leave every video feeling a little more her. So in this video, we're decoding the feminine formula. Not another checklist of how to look, but an inner algorithm of what to add, what to remove, and what to refine so your natural glow becomes undeniable. Stay till the end. Because once you understand this formula, you'll start to feel lighter, more magnetic, and more alive without doing anything extra. Let's start with what to add. And no, I don't mean more perfume or more silk robes or more feminine hacks. I mean adding what feeds your vitality. 1. Add stillness. Stillness is the hidden luxury most women don't allow themselves. 5 minutes of quiet, no phone, no noise actually lets your nervous system reset. Because constant stimulation keeps you in survival mode. And stillness brings you back to your power. It's in stillness that intuition whispers, "This is who I am. This is what I need." Without stillness, you can't hear yourself. And when you can't hear yourself, you lose your signal. 2. Add nourishment, for body and spirit. Feed your body foods that carry life force, fresh, hydrating, colorful. But also feed your emotions with beauty, sunlight, scent, music, prayer, laughter. Femininity thrives on sensory nourishment. It's how you stay in your body, not just in your head. Think of your vitality like a battery. Every small pleasure, every deep breath, every good night's sleep charges it back up. 3. Add warmth. Real feminine presence is warm. Not performatively nice, but genuinely warm. Warmth in your tone, your eyes, your responses. It's the energy that says, "I'm safe within myself, so you can relax too." It softens a room, disarms defensiveness, and invites connection. You know that woman who walks in and everyone just exhales? That's not beauty. That's warmth. 4. Add self-expression. Through your look, voice, creative flow. Femininity isn't silent obedience, it's artful expression. A woman who expresses herself is magnetic because she's alive. Add color. Add movement. Add voice. Paint, sing, dance, speak with grace and presence. Because when you express, you release stagnant energy. And that's what creates the soft, radiant, glowing vibrancy people feel around you. Expression isn't about performance, it's about permission. The permission to take up space, to be seen, to be felt. So don't shrink your aliveness to seem put together. Let your energy move. Let your voice carry warmth. Let your presence feel like poetry in motion. That's feminine power, not loud, not forced, just beautifully felt. 5. Add emotional literacy. The most attractive women are emotionally fluent. They don't run from their feelings. They translate them. Sadness becomes depth. Anger becomes clarity. Desire becomes direction. Learn to sit with your feelings long enough to understand what they're teaching you. That's emotional maturity, and it's mesmerizing. Now here's the twist. Sometimes, adding more won't help until you remove what's dulling your energy. What to remove? This is where the real transformation begins. Because femininity isn't about perfection. It's about purity of energy. Every time you remove something that doesn't belong, your light shines clearer. 1. Remove comparison. Comparison is the thief of peace and individuality. The moment you start measuring yourself by someone else's highlight reel, you abandon your own rhythm. Femininity flourishes in authenticity. Your body, your pace, your story, that's your magic formula. The goal isn't to outshine anyone. It's to glow so naturally that competition feels irrelevant. 2. Remove chaos. If your schedule, mind or home feels chaotic, your feminine energy can't flow. Clear your space. Clear your screen time. Chaos confuses your nervous system, and confusion makes you reactive. Peaceful environments equal peaceful energy. 3. Remove validation loops. Stop performing femininity for an audience, online or offline. Every time you seek approval, you lose alignment. Because validation is a borrowed mirror. When it breaks, so does your sense of self. True femininity doesn't chase attention. It attracts it through certainty. Attention fades fast. Certainty lasts forever. 4. Remove over-masculine energy. You don't need to prove your strength through hardness. Femininity isn't weakness. It's controlled flow. It's resilience with softness, strategy with surrender. If your instinct is always push, try allow. If your instinct is control, try trust. That's how balance, not burnout, returns. 5. Remove clutter everywhere. Physical clutter drains feminine focus. Emotional clutter like half-ended friendships, unread messages and mental to-dos creates noise. Remove what no longer fits your evolved self. Minimalism isn't about emptiness. It's about clarity. Every time you let go of what's misaligned, you make space for what's meant. And once you've cleared the noise, the final step is refinement, turning simplicity into elegance. What to refine? Refinement is the quiet art of precision. Small shifts that change everything. 1. Refine your tone. You can say the same sentence in 2 ways. Why did you do that? Or can you tell me what happened? Tone is power disguised as softness. It builds trust, not tension. Refine your tone until your words carry calm authority. 2. Refine your taste. You don't need luxury brands to express value. You need discernment. Refine your wardrobe, your surroundings, even your conversations. Less noise, more intention. A refined woman isn't loud, she's clear. Refinement whispers, but the world always leans in to listen. 3. Refine your presence. How you enter a room matters more than what you wear. Walk with ease, lift your chin, let your shoulders drop. Presence is poise, not performance. When your energy is grounded, you become unforgettable. 4. Refine your boundaries. Feminine power doesn't mean saying yes to everything. It means knowing your yes is sacred. Refine your boundaries so that love, friendship and work all operate within emotional safety. Boundaries protect your warmth from depletion. 5. Refine your emotional responses. This is where maturity glows. Instead of reacting fast, pause. Take a breath. Observe. Respond intentionally. Refinement is emotional elegance, turning triggers into wisdom. Refine doesn't mean rigid. It means responsive, not reactive. The feminine formula in motion. When you start adding nourishment, removing noise and refining your expression, something shifts. You stop chasing femininity and start embodying it. People can feel it before you even speak. A sense of calm, quiet power and self-trust. That's vitality. That's radiance. That's the formula. So here's your invitation. This week, notice what expands you, what drains you, and what needs quiet refinement. That awareness alone can change how you move through the world. Because the true feminine formula isn't fixed, it's fluid. It evolves as you do. And when you master it, you don't have to chase the glow. You become it. If this resonated, let it sink in. Don't rush to the next thing. And if you'd like more videos like this, Subscribe, stay connected, and let's keep evolving beautifully. You are for every woman XO.